Dear friends, welcome back to Civil Conclave presentation. Today, what we are going to discuss about it, quantity survey part 6, how to calculate the stirrup length. See, there is a various types of stirrups we make at site, namely rectangle, square, triangle, circular, diamond, and spiral stirrup. See, there are so many steps has been involved in finding the cutting length of the stirrups. Let us understand from the beginning. Look at the size of the column or a beam from the drawing. Check the dia of the bar. Generally, it should be 6 to 8 mm dia stirrups. Deduct the concrete cover or a clear cover. Find the total outline stirrup after deducting concreting cover. Add the length of the hook to the length of the stirrup. Deduct the length of the bend. Use the below formula to find the total cutting length of the stirrups. The formula is as follows. Cutting length of the stirrups is equal to perimeter of shape plus total length minus total bend length. Important basic formula. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Perimeter of the square is equal to 4 into side length. Perimeter of the circle or a circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r. That means pi d whole multiplied by radius diameter of the circle. See, now let us talk about the image. Here you can see there are 5 bends are there. 5 bends. Okay, 1, 2. See, this is 1 bend. This is a 2 bend. This is a 3 bend. This is a 4th bend, and this is a 5th bend. And 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there is a 2 hooks. 1 and 2. Okay. Now there is a concreting cover. X is equal to length of the stirrups in the X direction after deducting the concreting cover. Y is the length of the stirrup in the Y direction after deducting cover. Important standards used in bends and hooks. The below standards are most important in calculating the hook length and bend length at corners while finding cutting length of the stirrup. One hook length is equal to 9 dia or 75 mm. 45-degree bend length means 1 dia. 90-degree bend length means 2 dia. 135-degree bend length means 3 dia. Remember, D is the diameter of the bar. Cutting length of the rectangular stirrup. See these images. Here I taken as the stirrups column size as a 450 mm by 230 mm. Okay. Deducting all the concreting cover will be X will be 230 minus 20 minus 20. That is 190 mm. Y direction means 450 minus 20 and minus 20 is equal to 410 mm. Now, total length of the hook. From the figure, there are 2 hooks, which means 9D plus 9D, 18D. So, total length of the bends. From the figure, there are 3 bends, 1, 2, and 3 bends at an angle of 90 degree and 2 bends at the rate of 135 degree. This is 135 degree. So, total bend is equal to 3 into 90 degree, that is bend length plus 2 into 135 degree bend length. That is equal to 3 into 2 dia plus 2 into 3 dia is equal to 12 dia. 12 into 8 mm, it is equal to 96 mm. So total cutting length of the rectangle stirrup, perimeter of the rectangle plus total length minus total bend length. That means 2 into X plus Y plus 18D minus 12D. That is equal to 2 into 190 plus 410 plus 18 into 8 minus 12 into 8 is equal to 1248 mm. That means 1.2548 meter. Now cutting length of the square stirrups. Okay, stirrups are 8 mm. Deducting the concreting cover of the 450 mm direction, it will be 450 minus 40, 410. Again, 450 minus 40 will be 410 mm. Okay, x is equal to y. That is because it's a square. Total length of the hook is, there are 2 hooks. Okay, that means 9 dia plus 9 dia, it is equal to 9 dia. Total length of the bend, there are 3 bends which are bent at a rate of 90 degree, and one is bent at 135 degree. So total bend length is equal to 3 into 90 dia bend length plus 2 into 135 degree bend length. That is 3 into 2 dia plus 2 into 3 dia is equal to 12 dia. That means 12 into 8 is equal to 96 mm. See the total cutting length of the square stirrup, perimeter of the square plus total hook length minus total bend length. That is 4 into 410 plus 18 dia minus 12 dia, that is 1648 mm. That means 1.64 meter. Now cutting length of the circular stirrup. The column dia is 1000 meter. Okay, this has been shown in the drawing. Dia of the bar is 8 mm. Concreting cover from the diameter of the column will be diameter, that is 1000 minus 25 minus 25, 950 mm. Circumferences of the length of ring is equal to pi d. That is 950 into 3.14. That is 2983 mm. So this is the circumferences what I'm talking about. Total length of the hook. There are 2 hooks. Okay, which means 9d plus 9d, 18d. Total length of the bend. There are 2 bends which are bent at an angle of 135 degree. Here there is a 135 degree. Okay, total bend length is equal to 2 into 1350 bend length is equal to 2 into 3d, that is 6 dia, is equal to 6 into 8, 48 millimeter. So total cutting length of the circular stirrup of the ring is equal to circumferences of the ring plus total hook length is equal to total bend length. That is 2983 plus 18d minus 6 dia, that is 3079 millimeter. That is 3.07 meter. Cutting length of the triangle stirrup. Column size is 450 by 450 mm. Dia of the bar is stirrup for 8 mm. Concreting cover 25 mm all around. So in x-axis it will be 400 minus 2020, that is 360. Y-axis 450 minus 40 will be 410 mm. From Pythagoras theory, hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus adjacent side. Look at the second triangle of the image. See here the images have been cut off. Okay, H. See, h square is equal to x square, okay, x by 2 whole square plus y square. Here h square is equal to 182 plus 4102 is equal to root of 447 square is equal to 447 mm. The total length of the stirrup is equal to 2 into h plus 360 is equal to 2 into 447 plus 360, 1254 mm. So total length of the hooks, there are 2 hooks, which means 9d plus 9d is equal to 18d. So total length of the bend, okay, here you can see there is a 4 bends length of 135 degree, which has been marked, and there are the 2 hooks also is marked. There are 4 bend which bent an angle of 1350. Total bend length is equal to 4 into 1350 bend length is equal to 4 into 3 dia, that is 12 dia. That means 96 mm. Total cutting length of the stirrup is equal to perimeter of the triangle plus total hook length plus total bend length. That means 1254 plus 18d minus 12d, that is 1302 mm. That means 1.3 mm. Cutting length of the diamond stirrup. Okay. Let us consider the size of the column is 400 by 400. Deduct both the sides covers of 20 mm each. So x-axis will be 360 mm, y-axis will be 400, that is 360 mm. See, now you understand there is a two triangles I have to cut it off. Here I show you the images. Okay. Hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. That is x square is equal to x by 2 whole square plus y by 2 whole square. That is h2 is equal to 1802 plus 1802 is equal to root of 254 square. That is 254 mm. The total length of the stirrup is equal to 4 into h, that is the height, is equal to 4 into 254, 1016 mm. So total length of the hook, there are two hooks. That means 90 plus 90, 18 dia. Total length of the bends, there are three bends. Okay, here I show you the three bends of 135 degree. Okay, which are bent at 135 degree. Total bend length 3 into 90 d of the bend length. That means plus 2 into 135 degree bend length. That means 3 into 2d plus 2 into 3d is equal to 12d. That is 12 into 8 is equal to 96 mm. So total cutting length of the diamond stirrups will be perimeter of the diamond shape plus total hook length minus total bend length. That means 1016 plus 1 plus 144 minus 96. That is 1064 mm. That is 1064 mm. Thank you for watching this presentation. Kindly subscribe and like and share, which will motivate me for a further good presentation. In case of any queries, do not hesitate to write to me. The response shall be at the earliest. You can contact me at the civilconclave@gmail.com or at my Telegram group, Civil Conclave Telegram group. The link is as follows. Thank you for watching this presentation. Kindly subscribe, like and share so that I can motivate and give you a good presentation. Thank you very much.